If you've ever stared at a blank email wondering how you're going to make your newsletter actually look good without hiring a designer or spending hours in Canva, this video is for you, because today we're going over Venngage and their AI-powered email newsletter generator that takes your content ideas and turns them into a fully designed, on-brand newsletter in minutes. We're talking professional layouts, custom images, your brand colors and logo, and even AI-generated icons, all without touching a single design tool. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire workflow from picking a template to downloading a finished newsletter that you could send directly through your email marketing platform and to your audience. So on that note, let's get started. Okay, first things first, head over to Vengage's free AI newsletter generator, and you can get there by visiting the link in the video description below. And then sign up for a free account if you haven't done so already. And you could do so by clicking the sign up for free button in the upper right corner. And then you could sign up with your name, email, and password, or you could connect your Google account. Then once you've created your account and logged into Venngage, this is your dashboard. And to create a new newsletter, we're going to head up to the top navigation bar and click on templates. This opens the full template library, and there's a ton here, like infographics, brochures, presentations, proposals, etc. But what we want is in the left sidebar. So scroll down a bit until you find newsletters on the left and click on that. And that'll bring us to the newsletter section. You could see the templates for all kinds of use cases like company updates, product launches, event recaps, marketing digests, and more. Then at the top, you've got some quick filters for all the different newsletter types like real estate, email, school, event, and a lot more. And if you click that little arrow button on the right, this will let you cycle through all the different newsletter categories. But what I'm going to use for this demo is marketing. So let's find that category and click on it. And then here we're looking at templates specifically for marketing and content-focused newsletters. And let's go with the Marketing Analytics Newsletter template. And when you hover over a template, you get this preview. It's got a clean, professional look that works really well for creator brands, I think. So let's go with this one. And you can click anywhere on the preview, and from here, it'll give you some options as to how to proceed. So we could either edit this manually and make all the changes ourselves, or we could edit with AI and let Venngage fill everything in automatically. And I'm going to show you the AI route because it's genuinely fast and impressive. So let's go ahead and click Edit with AI, and you just describe what you want to create. For this prompt, I just told it to create a newsletter for a digital marketing and blogging business targeting bloggers, content creators, entrepreneurs, and small business owners, as well as highlighting some features. And I also added the tone that it should be in. The key here is to be pretty specific. The more you give it, the more accurate and complete the output is going to be. All right. Then once you've entered your prompt, go ahead and click that arrow to send it through. And the AI gets to work, and you're taken to the editor. On the left is the designer panel. This is where you'll interact with the AI to make edits to the template. Then on the right is the canvas, where you'll see the live preview of your newsletter once it's done generating. You'll also be able to make edits here in the canvas as well, which we'll do in just a bit. Then, once it's done generating, and it only took about a minute or so, you'll see the template with the updated copy and imagery. Up top, we've got the Creator Pulse branding with the issue number and date. The intro sets the tone right away. The In This Issue section previews everything. We got AI Content Mastery, a productivity hack on batching content, and the Tool Spotlight featuring Canva Pro. Then you've got the Success Story and Stats block, and then at the bottom, a Community section with the QR code, the YouTube channel handle, and contact info. Okay, so I'm really happy with that first draft. Came out great. Images look good. Copy looks great. Love it. But let me show you how to make some manual edits on top of what the AI already built. First, let's change some text. So all you have to do is just click on any text element directly in the preview on the right, and your editing toolbar appears at the top. And you could change the font size, weight, all of it. But most importantly, you could just click into the text and start typing. Whatever the AI put in there, you can overwrite instantly. And I'm just going to go ahead and update the newsletter title here to say the Blog with Ben newsletter. Next, let's swap out an image. Again, all you'll do is just click on the image you want to replace, and you'll see a Modify button pop up. Just click on that. This opens up a menu with options like Remove Background, Boost Resolution, Replace Image, Crop Image, etc. We want to replace it, so click that. And once you do, an image library opens up in the left panel. And as you can see, the image library gives you access to a huge stock photo collection, but you can narrow this down at the top there. There's a little search field. If you just type in a keyword of what you're looking for, like woman on laptop, you'll be presented with a ton of great options right here in the media library. And you could scroll through, and once you find one that you like, just click on it, and that will automatically drop it into the design and it replaces the original image. Clean and fast. All right, next, this template came with a QR code. This is a nice detail that a lot of people overlook, but it's more than likely using a default placeholder link. So to change the link in the QR code, just click on it, and then you'll see an edit QR code button appear. Go ahead and click that, and it brings up a dialog box where you could swap out the URL it's pointing to. And I'm just gonna replace it with my actual YouTube channel URL. Then just click OK, and the QR code updates automatically to point to the right destination. All right, then finally, if there's any other text in the newsletter that you want to tweak, like contact info, section headers, the community section, just click into those text elements and type directly. And in terms of changing the text and the images, that's really all there is to it. The AI gets you 80 or 90% of the way there, and then these manual edits let you dial in the last details so everything is accurate and on brand. And speaking of on brand, here's one of my favorite features, and it's something that really sets Venngage apart from anyone building a consistent brand, and it's the brand kit. So to access it, just click on brand kit in the left sidebar, and this opens up your brand kit panel. You can see it's already pulled in some brand assets, and that's because I created my brand kit earlier in a prior video. But if you need to add a brand kit to this, it's really straightforward, super simple. Just click add brand kit at the top, and this opens a setup wizard, and all you have to do is type in your company name or website, and Venngage will automatically pull in your brand assets. And as you can see, I've typed in blogwithben.com, and then look at that. It finds the brand instantly and shows a preview. I've got logos, colors, and fonts all detected automatically, and it pulled the Blog with Ben logo, my brand colors, blue and black, and the fonts perfectly. That's all pulled directly from the website without me uploading anything manually. All right, then if everything looks right, just click confirm, and then the brand kit will be applied and it'll be set up and ready to use in Venngage. You can see the color palette, the logos, and the font stack all saved right here in the panel. Now, here's where it gets really useful. Venngage has this new AI feature where if you click the Apply Brand button, the AI will take your brand kit and essentially automatically apply it to the newsletter. And it takes a few moments to process, but once it's done, and again, it applies the brand kit across the entire newsletter instantly. The colors have been updated along with the font, and there's even an image of myself at the top there. Pretty cool. All right, then you could also hover over the color palette in the brand kit panel and click on that to shuffle and cycle through different color combinations using your brand colors if you'd like. And each click gives you a different variation. And then from the logo section, you could click directly on any of the logos there, and it'll drop it into the design. And then you can drag and drop the logos and realign and resize it as you see fit. Then you could also manage your brand fonts here as well. Venngage lets you define which fonts should be used for headings, subheadings, and paragraph text. And once those are set, it automatically updates the template to match. And that means your typography stays consistent across the entire design, which is something that usually takes a lot of manual work in traditional design tools. And the big takeaway here is speed and consistency. The brand kit lets you go from a generic AI-generated design to something that looks fully on brand in seconds. Okay, next, let me show you a couple more tools inside the editor that are really worth knowing about. So on the left sidebar, if you click on AI Tools, this opens a menu with a few different options. There's Generate Images, Generate Icons, Generate Designs, AI Writing Assistant, and Translate Text. And let me show you a few of these so you can see how useful they are. First, if we click on AI Writing Assistant, it's going to prompt you to select a text box first. So go ahead and click on a text element you want to edit in the newsletter. And then once you select it, a menu pops up with some quick options like shorten, elaborate, more professional, and fix spelling and grammar. But you've also got a custom prompt field at the top that says Ask AI to make changes. And that's what I'm going to use. And all you'll do is just type in an instruction for the AI. And I'm just going to say, change the tool from Canva Pro to ChatGPT. That's it. And then we'll send that through. And the AI gets to work processing our request. and it takes about 30 seconds or so, but when it's done, it'll update the text right there in the preview. The tool Spotlight now reads ChatGPT with updated pricing and description that already fits. That's the power of the writing assistant. Instead of manually rewriting every detail, you just tell it what to change and it handles the rest. It's really useful when you want to swap out specific information without touching the rest of the layout. Next, let's check out the Generate Icons tool. So this time, click on Generate Icons. And this opens the AI Icons panel. You've got a prompt box at the top where you just describe what you want, and then below that you could choose your style. For this example, I'm going to go with outline, so I'll click that. And then in that text box at the top, my prompt is going to be create a robot. That's it. And then we'll send that through. And in a few moments, about 10 seconds or so, it generates 4 different robot icon options right there in the panel for me to choose from. They're all in the outline style, and each one has a slightly different look. Then all you'll do is just click on the one you like, and it drops it into the canvas. And then from there, you could drag it wherever you want by using the corner handles. And you can just move it into position anywhere you want on the newsletter. Then you could keep generating. As you can see, I created a computer screen, and then I also created this pen with paper icons that I was able to add to the bullet points in the template. And it adds a very nice visual touch without any extra design work on your part. It's a small detail, but it makes the newsletter feel a lot more polished and intentional. Instead of plain bullet points, your readers get a visual cue for each section. All right, so you could obviously continue editing this and tweaking it to make it your own, but for this demo, I think it's done. It's looking great. So let's get this out the door. So to do that, in the upper right corner, all you'll do is click the share button, and this opens a modal with 3 tabs: share, download, and embed. The share tab lets you invite team members, share the project with your whole team, or grab a link so anyone can view it online. You've also got options to share it as a private link, a website, or a QR code. But for this example, what we want right now is to download it. So click the download tab, and from here you could choose your format. Now for a newsletter, the format you pick really depends on how you're sending it. If you're using Outlook, you could download the email HTML option. It saves it as an EML file that opens directly in Outlook and displays it just as you designed it. That's a clean, simple option if Outlook is your tool. But what if you're using a major email marketing platform like Aweber, MailChimp, or ConvertKit? The EML file more than likely won't work with them. So here's a workaround that makes this work with any of those email marketing providers. So first, obviously, you'll want to download the EML file to your computer. Then head over to ChatGPT and type in a prompt like create an HTML file of the attached EML file that I can use in an HTML email builder. Then click that plus icon in the bottom left corner of the prompt field. And from that pop-up menu, select Add Photos or Files. And then find and attach the EML file that we just downloaded from Venngage. Then we'll send that through. And ChatGPT processes the file and gives you back a downloadable HTML file. You could even see a live preview of the newsletter right here in the chat, and it looks exactly like what we built in Venngage. Then all you'll do is just click the download link to grab the HTML file. Then open it in a text editor like Sublime Text. This is a free tool, and I'll link to it in the video description below, and you'll see all the raw HTML code. And all you'll do is just select everything here and copy it. And then head over to your email marketing platform. I'm using Aweber here, and I'm creating a new email using the HTML editor. And then all you'll do is just paste in the code, and voila, check that out. And then if we click preview and test, you could see the full newsletter rendering perfectly. All the images, the layouts, the branding, exactly as we designed. And that's a really solid workaround. It takes about 2 extra minutes, but it means you could use your Venngage newsletter design with any email marketing provider that you're already using. All right, that's the full workflow. In just a few minutes, you went from a blank template to a fully designed on-brand newsletter that's ready to send to your list. And if you want to try Venngage for yourself, I've got a link in the video description below. And if you're on an annual plan, use my promo code BlogWithBen50 to get 50% off Venngage Premium or Business. That's a solid deal if you're planning to use this regularly for your content. And if you found this video helpful, drop a like and make sure you're subscribed. I put out tutorials like this every week covering AI tools, blogging strategies, and ways to grow your online business faster. And if you've got a tool that you want to see me cover next, be sure to leave it in the comments below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Also, if you're looking to start a blog, check out these 2 videos on how to build, grow, and monetize a WordPress blog. They'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And as always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.